Rajagiri Center for Business Studies is located in a picturesque valley in the IT hub of Kochi. The center is driven by a single-minded focus on imparting value-based management education to equip young professionals to make their mark in the corporate world.
Rajagiri Center of Business Studies is managed by the CMI Fathers of the Sacred Heart Province of Cochin. The college is located in the beautiful Rajagiri Valley at Kakanad, well connected to the industrial and IT hub of Cochin. At Rajagiri, we have three major programs: Masters in Business Administration MBA, Masters in Human Resource Management MHRM, and PGDM Postgraduate Diploma in Management. Here we have an intake of about 300 students. Our students are selected from various branches through an All India competitive exam, followed by a group discussion and interview. They are well groomed here at Rajagiri through our teaching methodology called as Rajagiri Immersive Learning Experience.
The education at RCBS goes beyond academics and concentrates on the development of holistic personality of the students.
Rural sensitization camp is one of its kind. It has helped me to refine my thoughts and vision. It has also helped me to reflect on the purpose of my life. In rural camp, I have learned how to value smaller things, which otherwise I tend to ignore in my day-to-day life. Rural camp has certainly put standards. It's a platform for us Rajagirians to enjoy peace and joy in a simple life. Our rural camp was in Kattapana. We did a lot of activities over there, right from transporting nearly 3,000 bricks to a hilltop, digging rainwater harvesting pits, conducting social activities like health surveys. We did a lot of them, and it was a new learning experience for us. These all things have helped me to respect others and understand the value of this gifted life of mine.
Vanavasam. Well, when I heard about it, the first thing which struck me was the Ram Sita concept. The whole story about Ram. But when I actually took part in the event, it was a totally life-transforming event, I should say. The whole concept of Vanavasam revolves around the Johari window concept, which simply altered my beliefs and attitude about the people who actually took part in the activity with me. It also tells you, never judge a book by its cover. It lets you to discover yourself and know the people around you in depth, and then, probably after that you judge them for what they are. Vanavasam on the whole, helps us to understand how important it is to respect others' emotions and accept them as they are.
Rajagiri Center for Business Studies, in association with Calypso Adventure, sets a platform for the students to practice various management lessons learned in class. The Calypso Adventures were set with a vision to promote adventure in India. This activity, organized by Rajagiri, benefits the students to learn various management theories and lessons through adventure games and activities. One of the most important things which I feel was that these activities actually added fun to our learning experience and enhanced our already gained learning experiences through various activities. So in short, I can say that Calypso taught me the importance of coordination and benefits of working as a team in the corporate world.
The Rajagiri National Business Quiz. It is like the biggest quiz in India in terms of prize money as well as registration. If you see, there are over 600 participants from both corporate and student domain participate in Rajagiri National Business Quiz. If you see, there are corporates like Oracle, Google, Genpact, and students, if I were to tell you, all the 13 IIMs have participated in this year's quiz. Rajagiri National Business Quiz, it was initiated 4 years ago. When it started, it was a very small event with just 35 registrations. But over years, it has grown by leaps and bounds and has gathered a lot of attention. And this year, the quiz is going to be telecasted on CNN IBM.
Influre is a management fest that is handled by the students of Rajagiri. It is us who, right from the beginning till its execution, handle everything. Bringing in the sponsorships, making the theme, and also conducting each and every event in the fest is what we do. It is like bringing the corporate gesture into life and also bringing in the classroom examples into the reality.
Rajagiri Transcend is the social service wing of our college. Now it is a complete student-driven organization, and I consider myself to be extremely privileged to be part of it. Now we have a lot of routine activities as well as events. Now the routine activities, it involves visits to old age homes, orphanages and physically and mentally challenged institutions. We also have visits to cancer wards as well. Now events, we have a mentoring workshop called Lanterns, and we also have another event which is the major mega event of Transcend, which is called Crayons. It is an inter-foster cultural fest. We have around 500 children coming from over 24 foster homes in and around Cochin. Now I think the outcome of all this, or rather how it has impacted me as a person, is that it has definitely made me value things that I have. I feel extremely lucky to be normal and to have a family to get back to at the end of the day. And I think it has made me look at things from a brighter perspective. And yes, I think undoubtedly, I think Transcend has been the best thing that has happened to me in my 2-year tenure at Rajagiri.
It is believed that sports doesn't have much to do in a PG student's life, but day in and day out we have been proving it wrong at Rajagiri Center for Business Studies. Here we take our sports very seriously. It has been proved by the fact in the recently concluded decathlon sports event we came in a close third, where we contested with UG students as well. It has been also proved by the fact that we have the best team in this region when it comes to football, volleyball and athletics. And also the fact that we have a multi-speciality gym which is operating inside our campus, which is open for all the students to come and work out during their free time. This once again proves that we at Rajagiri take our sports very seriously.
RCBS believes in continually raising its bar and is relentless in its pursuit of excellence by nurturing management professionals with exceptional creative ability and social sensitivity.
Hey, my name is Martin Schmidt. I'm an international student from WFI Ingolstadt School of Management, Germany. I'm here at Rajagiri for my semester abroad. I really can say that I made a lot of new friends here in Rajagiri, for example during Vanavasam. And of course I learned a lot in the courses here. I really enjoy the Rajagiri campus. I will go back to Germany with a lot of new experiences and a lot of new friends.
RCBS prepares students to manage and lead in dynamic business situations by providing a challenging environment where students can learn and grow and walk out ready to lead and inspire.
Rajagiri is an institution where Deloitte always come in search of great talent, and we have always been extremely happy the type of commitment that some of the students who come to Deloitte show. It's not only a sense of commitment, it's also the grasp of the fundamentals of the subject. Along with that, they have some fantastic and great and positive attitude which they bring into play when they are at their workplace. I would really like to commend Rajagiri for the great job it has done in molding its students.
The academic rigor and the application-oriented learning make life at RCBS a unique experience for students and faculty. Life after RCBS is never the same, a fact our alumni will vouch for.